Hey, you wanna go kayaking in the freezing cold? What is up, everybody? We're gonna go down to the Huck and Tom Sawyer freaking raft dock thing me and Barnabas made. We haven't been down there since we've set it there. Oh my god, we're about to lose him. Almost biffed it. Yeah, we're gonna go check that out. Nice and chilly. Try to stay dry. And now for it being in the middle of December, it really ain't that bad in the water, Bunny. What do you say? Good? Fantastic. It's really not that bad on the water. I'm trying to take a path. Got his GoPro floating on the ice. I want it back now. Check it out. The dock is still there, guys. So far, she is still alive. Pretty neat, huh? If you guys haven't seen that video, go back and look through, and maybe I'll figure out how to do the little clicky thing up in the right corner. You can click that and you find the video, huh? Maybe, just maybe one day I'll get up to code speed, whatever. Yeah, dock. That's a nice fancy raft you guys got there. Right on the rapids, for those who haven't seen this before. It's a pretty stunning sight. I know you guys in California are like, oh wow, that is beautiful. Yeah, pretty neat, huh?
Where's the cord at?
Over that way.
Over there.
Up and over the
corner.
Yeah, in the water. Because I got the proper attire for the outdoor accessories and whatever's going on here. Not too bad.
Or nah.
Or not. I'm thinking up here would be a cool camp spot. You can come down here and chill on the personal dock. Pretty neat. What's that blue thing? See that? Look at that.
It's everywhere. He died brutally.
Brutal death. Oh, poor cardinal.
Finish
Crazy. Probably the animal shelter across the street, an escaped cat had gone rogue. Crazy kitties. Check this out. Found a spot with her. What the fine. Might be able to come out here and do a little primitive camp type setup. Save that for another video, huh? Why not? Oh, there's plenty of them. Pretty sweet. It's kind of open over here. You guys can't really see. Sorry for making it all shaky. Look at these sons of guns. Pretty nifty. Ow. Ow! Got smacked in the head with one. Interesting. Oh man, they go on forever too. This is sweet. I'm glad I found these. A little wide open area. Look at that tree. The tree just goes blue. And that's probably how it grew too. The wind went blue. And then it grew like that. Interesting. Check it out. It's this tree, one of the thorny trees. You probably break those down, wiggle it into, probably make some sort of fish hook out of that. You find one that's good. It's pretty dang sturdy, strong. Probably make a fish hook or something out of that. Or even sew with it. Pretty sweet, man. Pretty cool we stumbled upon this place. It's kind of hidden gem in the middle of the city, kind of. Well, close to the outskirts, but you still hear cars. So there's a highway back that way. Here in Iowa, I don't live anywhere in a vast area, as you can hear. What do you reckon lives in there? Right over there was where that bird died, so maybe something. Bobcat. Maybe a bobcat. Might be a bobcat. Possibly Jimmy. Here's that blue thing. A little Tupperware. So we got bottle caps in there. For some reason. Don't ask. Don't ask. Don't know. Well, Doc, it was nice seeing ya. We are out of here. Gonna head downstream. Sorry guys, back in the GoPro case you go. GoPro's notorious for the crappy sound. Yeah, that's right, I caught the potty mouth there, didn't I? Man. Oh yeah, back in the case you go.
Check it out. The dock is still there, guys. So far.
Just what a wonderful little stream. Well, if it does fall, it'll land on shore anyway.
It's a pretty stunning sight. I know you guys in California.
Once it does. Can't keep looking up, the sun is blinding me eyes. Big ball of fire, buddy. Gotta let her take you. Oh, woo! He's gonna get wet for sure. Yippee skippy. Woo. Well, at the end of our road here, underneath the freeway. It's a good marker to know when you're done. Yeah, breeze is chilly, the water's chilly. It's December, so it's chilly. Anyway, we're heading out back to the old vehicle where you get in it and you drive from A to B, sometimes C. I guess we'll see you later. Okay? Make every day great exploring Earth, guys. Whee!